Hey, fellow developers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Android enthusiasts out there. Android 13, codenamed Tiramisu, has brought in a bunch of new APIs and features, and trust me, you're going to want to try them out. But before we dive into the details, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below and join our community of developers. We've got tons of content on the latest tech updates, coding tutorials, and much more. Alright, let's get started. Now, one of the major changes in Android 13 revolves around push notification permissions. It's a critical update that every Android developer needs to be aware of. So, stick around till the end because we'll also provide you with a sample code in Xamarin for implementation. You don't want to miss that. The shift in push notification permissions is all about giving users more control over their privacy and security. In the past, push notifications were automatically granted during app installation, leading to a flood of unwanted alerts. But with Android 13, users now have the power to choose whether to allow or deny push notifications from individual apps. So, how does this new permission system work in Android 13? Well, when a user opens an app for the first time, they'll be prompted with the push notification permission dialog. It's simple, allow or deny. If they allow it, they'll receive push notifications. If they deny, no notifications will bother them. Now, what does this mean for users? It's all about control. With this revamped system, users have a say in the data that apps can access. It's a win for privacy and security, giving users more authority over the information shared with app developers. Plus, it's a handy feature for those apps that are no longer relevant. Just turn off the push notifications, and you're in charge. Before you dive into implementing these changes, a quick heads up on the prerequisites. You'll need Visual Studio 2022, unfortunately, Visual Studio 2019 won't cut it. Android 13 is exclusively available with VS 2022, so make sure you're using the right IDE. Also, set your target Framework and SDK version to Android 13. And now, for our next video suggestions, we've got more Android 13 content coming your way. Click on the video on the left for a deep dive into the other exciting features Android 13 has to offer. And on the right, we've got a tutorial on optimizing your Xamarin projects for Android 13. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. So, there you have it, folks. Android 13's push notification permissions, a step forward in user control and privacy. If you're itching to implement this in Xamarin, stay tuned. We'll even throw in some sample code in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.